Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to sign in Gardenscapes game with Facebook account. To connect your Gardenscapes game to Facebook, first of all, open up the Gardenscapes application on your mobile device and make sure that you are in this page. Now click on the gear button at the top right corner. In the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on Save Progress. Now in the sign in area, tap on sign in with Facebook, and if you're not already, log into your Facebook account by entering your credentials. And then once you do that, allow necessary permission to sync in with your Facebook profile by tapping continue once logged in. And that way, you will be able to link your game to Facebook. Doing this will ensure your game's progress is saved. If you switch between devices or reinstall the game, you can resume where you left off by signing in with Facebook. So that is how you can easily sign into Gardenscapes with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Gardenscapes tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.